Good morning, good morning. Kaya mawia. Ngifui kaya fo le kua. Yeah, so coming on this morning straight from great state of Virginia, Northern Virginia to be exact. I just want to get on here and continue to promote the mission of Lau Aganuu Faasoa, where I share my knowledge of the art of the Tula Fale to those who are interested, up and coming Tula Fale or Tiakono, or anyone who just wants to learn more about the art of being a talking chief, Samoan talking chief, duties and responsibilities to help you with your journey. Um, Upcoming, our next session is next month on the 18th. We will be discussing the Ava ceremony, breaking down every part of the ceremony, um, every role and responsibility, who does what between the hosting party, o le mu'usu, po le ainga, po le sosaieke, or whoever's hosting the Ava ceremony. What are their roles? What do they do? What are they responsible for? And then the roles of the visitors. What is their expectations, right? So if you saw or seen an Ava ceremony and you don't know or understand what's going on, it'd be a good chance for you to come on and join us during the session to where we break it down, each and every role. Why is it done and why it's important, and why do we do the Ava ceremony anyway, right? So if you're interested, click on the link in my bio, sign up and subscribe to Lau Aganuu Faasoa, and we'll see you on there. It's an opportunity to share our knowledge, an opportunity to discuss in a more in-depth manner of our culture and why we do things in a certain way. Why is it important? And the more important question is, is it in jeopardy of losing some of these sacred ceremonies that we do, or sacred fasamoa? What I mean by that is if we don't do it, or if we don't understand it, or if we don't advocate for it, if we don't promote it, is it in jeopardy of the younger generation up and coming to not be interested, or to kind of, you know, don't advocate for it like we are? So that's part of the mission of Lau Aganuu Faasoa, is to make sure that those practices don't go away or don't fade away. Even though we live throughout the world, wherever we may be, in the States, New Zealand, Australia, wherever, that we continue to practice our Fasamoa wherever we are. Lango kako o ka ngaka o maoka kau ave. So se meo e kako ki o ma ave kako anganu, ave le kako ngangana. And we practice it and we share it so that it remains strong. So that's what we'll be discussing on the next session. Lau Aganuu Faasoa, we do monthly 2-hour sessions on Zoom, and we discuss different topics of our Samoan culture and language. This month we discussed Le Si'ialofa. Why do we take cities, presentations to families who are in mourning. Gave me a maliu. Sialofa mo maliu is what the topic was. And we discussed from the very beginning, the preparation, the gathering of iatonga, money, le whainga launga, pea abesisi. And so next month we'll be talking in depth about the Ava ceremony so that we understand each role, why is it done, and so forth. That way next time when you watch one, you can follow it and say, oh, le wo ke me le sufingo ava, le wo ke me whail whakao wa le laungos, and then so forth, right? So it's not just to being able to perform any of those roles, but just understanding the sequence of events, understanding where it's at, so that when you watch it, you can follow it and say, okay, I used to look at this. I used to look at the Ava ceremony and just be clueless, like what's going on. The only thing I knew was to, don't mess with it. Fulele o le fala bla sa. O le alofi sa le nguu po le ainga po o ile fia le usu falo alo le likayao, something sacred, so I used to just watch every role, what's going on. I used to wonder, like, what does it all mean, right? So it's a good opportunity now that I do understand to share that knowledge with our people, anyone who's interested in learning more. So just want to get on here and get on video for a change, and to also thank our supporters who support this mission, those who share our mission on social media, just trying to get the word out. Also, I'll be traveling to American Samoa within a week or so, so I'll be conducting the session from American Samoa. I guess we'll see how good the Wi-Fi is over there, right? No, I believe it's good. These last few times I've been in American Samoa, and especially my village is behind the mountain, Vatia. Wi-Fi is pretty good. So shout out to Astica and even to Blue Sky with the services that they provide over there on our small little island. We're able to connect with the rest of the world. So I'll be conducting the session from there, and I look forward to it. I'll be in Samoa for a couple months before I head back here, probably around December. So looking forward to it. Manguele, lengeaso manguela sa kayao. Kako manguele le falka po le kua ya ongi ngalo le kako ola kau kuele li. Yung kasya mal kako anguu mal kako fa Samoa. Ya le kako kau kua fa maongi ngalwengo le kua. Have a blessed day, have a blessed weekend, and see you on here next time. So